Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one's covering NHS population screening programs, covering 11 national screening programs. You can see the sort of data that we have to import by looking at these files. I'll just download one of them so you can get an idea. There you go. Not terrible. Let's have a look. That's from a previous one. So we've got 5 tables, 267,000 rows, and data going back to 2017. Let's have a look at some of the data. You see on the screen the sort of detail going back down to hospital level, and the different measures. So it gives you an idea. And there's a few other tables there. So there's a link to this and all the other data in this database in the description below. You can play with it for 30 days to try it out. Thanks.